Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a brand new Bluetooth speaker. It's a very powerful dual driver Bluetooth speaker that can produce an output of 20 watts and has a massive 5200 mAh battery. It's a premium quality speaker made by Blitzwolf and the model is BW-AS1. You've got the Blitzwolf logo and a picture of the speaker. The box feels quite heavy in the hand. Let's check out the specs of the speaker. The model is BW-AS1, comes in silver color. It's a stereo speaker guys, has dual 10 watt drivers so the total output sums up to 20 watts and the frequency response range is from 20 to 20 kHz. So these were its specs. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. I want to thank Blitzwolf for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open the box and check out the speaker. Oh, we've got the AS1 speaker at the top. Let me take it out. It does feel a bit heavy. We'll check out the speaker in a moment. Let's first see what else do we get in the box. You've got some paperwork here. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Now make sure to read them for all the info on the product. Along with that, you get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable and a USB cable for charging the speaker. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the AS1 speaker. So this is how the Blitzwolf BW-AS1 Bluetooth speaker looks like. Wow, the speaker looks very premium. The finishing on it is really nice. The entire shell of the speaker is made of anodized aluminum and it weighs about 750 grams. You've got the Blitzwolf logo here. It's a stereo speaker, has two 10 watt drivers each of 45mm. The design of the speaker is very nice. It's got beautiful chamfered edges running around the corners and has two rubber foot pads at the bottom. You've got some info at the bottom of the speaker. It says you can charge the speaker from any 5V 0.5 amps to 2 amp source. At the top you've got the media control buttons. This is power button, media play pause, volume down and volume up. The quality of these buttons is also very good. This is how the backside looks like. There's a micro USB port for charging the speaker, an aux port and some vents here. Behind these vents you've got two passive bass radiators. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality of the speaker. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. You need to press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to power it on. There you go. You've got an LED indicator over here which shows you the Bluetooth status. Alright, let's pair it with my phone and see how it performs. Let's turn the Bluetooth on and search for it. BW-AS1. Let's pair with it. And that's done. Now let's play some music and check out the audio quality. The audio quality is very good. I was quite impressed by the speaker. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow. Talking about the treble was silky smooth. Coming to the bass was punchy and the low frequency response was really good. It has a tri-band equalizer circuit inside to produce high fidelity sound. The company spent 2 years tuning the speaker and I have to tell this, I was quite satisfied with the audio quality. The distortion was also very less even at max volume and the sound output was also quite high. It also has a microphone on it so you can use it even for answering calls and the mic quality was also good during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery life. It has a 5200 mAh battery and the battery life was good. On an average I was getting around 10 hours of music playtime at 70% volume level. So that was my review on the Blitzwolf BW-AS1 Bluetooth speaker. It's a premium wireless Bluetooth speaker. The build quality is solid, the audio quality is amazing and the battery life was also good. The only thing is it's quite expensive. It costs about 5400 rupees. If only the company could reduce the price a little bit, then it would be awesome. It's available on Banggood. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.